Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my first ever beauty haul from YesStyle. So this came directly from Korea. There should be a lot of fun things inside and I can't wait to show you what's inside. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's crack it open. Cheers! Now I did order this from YesStyle a bit ago. But one of the things about ordering from a company like YesStyle is it is coming directly from Korea. So it can take some time. But the benefit is then once you get it, it's kind of like a gift to yourself because you don't really remember what you ordered. And when it comes, it's just a surprise. So this is very tightly wound. It is all packaged in here. If I remember correctly, I think I got about 10 items. Believe it or not, this only cost me $20, which is pretty crazy. And I just saw a bunch of fun things that I thought I could use. So it made sense to place an order. And I do have an affiliate code that I will post down below. If you want to purchase from YesStyle, you will get a discount. And you can also shop for some fun items because YesStyle is an Asian marketplace that has all kinds of things from lifestyle products to skincare and makeup and things in between. Okay. It is all out. This is probably the most random assortment of products I've ever gotten, but that's okay. And you know, I'm kind of looking through this saying, I don't even know what I got. But the good news is they did include a receipt. So I do kind of feel like I went shopping in Korea, which is great. Okay, first off we have, this is so cute, a headband. This is a spa headband. Look, it has a little onigiri on it. How cute is that? Does it come off? No. Okay, so this is great for if I'm washing my face, doing any kind of products. Let's see. And it's just super cute. And not only that, I needed to get the matching armbands so that water is not going down my arms when I'm washing my face. And they are matching, and this is just absolutely adorable. 100% worth it to wait for Korea. Look at this. How cute am I? So when I'm washing my face, when I'm doing different facial techniques, I don't have to worry about water running down my face, water getting in my hair. It's really soft, it's comfy, and it's just super, super cute. Okay. I will go ahead and take these off, even though it would be more fun to keep it on. It is a little warm, so I'm gonna take off the arm and the head sweatbands. Have another sip. And now something else I got is from, I believe this is MQNY. This is a waterproof pencil gel liner. And I think I generally get black, but I didn't want to wait. So I got this brownish color, but it still looks good. Let's see, quite brown, but it's a nice chocolatey brown, and I think it will look good if I want like a more soft, subtle look. I'm gonna let that set for a bit while I show you some other fun things. From Malian, a eyelash curler and eyelash comb. This is actually pretty unique. I don't know if you can see, this curler isn't like the typical metal one that wraps all around your eye. I think you do this one in sections. And then this eyelash comb is metal, which is nice because I don't need my eyelash combs breaking. Looks pretty sturdy, and I can kind of just go like this after putting on mascara. And then this guy, I might have to read instructions how to use them. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so look, you just pop this down and then you put your lashes in there, and I am curious how that's gonna look, but I need a mirror to do that. So this is a It says lip makeup applicator, silicone, and I did get it in the pink color. This is from Jessica. I've been seeing these. I thought they were interesting. I might use it for lips, but I might also use it for some of my cream-based shadows. But you can see it's like silicone, and it just looked fun. And it's supposed to be really good for applying products. You could even do concealer with it. So I thought I needed one, and of course I wanted pink, so got that. What else? What else? What else? Oh, this is a concealer brush in black and brown from Mogugu. Apologize if I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but it looks like a nice fluffy brush, and I just thought the shape was really interesting. So from Giacomo, number G1036. You can see new brush, sip, a spa headband in pink. I love these, especially when I'm not just washing my face, but doing all kinds of masks, because you can kind of do this. You don't have to put it all over. And since I tend to do facials for my family and friends, it's nice to have an extra. And this one is just really soft. So this is from Porcini. It's a face wash headband in light pink. This, I don't even know what I was thinking, but it just looked interesting, so we're gonna go with it. This is from Jessirica, a steam facial mask towel in white. So when you're steaming your face, maybe you're about to do some kind of pore extraction or blackhead, and this is, you put this on your face, and it has little ear loops. So I think you put this on your face. You can't see, but you can breathe, or maybe you just put your nose out. I'm not really sure how to use it. I'm gonna have to look it up, but it is quite thick. It's like double lined, and it just looked like something interesting. Before I get to my last product for this haul, I want to check out my eyeliner, see how it's doing. It's not smearing. It's not smearing, but it does rub off pretty easily. What I do like is no matter how much I do this, it's not smearing. So I wouldn't necessarily rub your eyes a lot because you just might take it off, but I do like that it's not just going all over. So nice, good eyeliner that sets, and that comes off pretty easily. Okay, for my final piece of random beauty that I purchased during this YesBeauty haul, sip of soju, and let's see. Now I'm not really sure why I purchased this. This isn't something that I generally use. Well, once again, I don't know if you're anything like me, but you just start seeing things and you're adding to cart and you're like, that looks fun, that looks fun. And that's very much my style. And something about this looked fun. So these are nails from Nails. Okay, they're Nails, Nail Colors for You. They have little bows. And what you're supposed to do is use a nail tool to polish this nail surface. I think they mean this thing, maybe like a buffer pad, to polish the nail surface, remove surface grease, wipe your nails with the alcohol cotton, keep the nails clean and dry, select the right size, and apply the glue. So these are glue-on nails, but how fun were these? I don't know, maybe Halloween or something? But once again, not expensive. So it's okay if it doesn't work. These just look super fun. So this is my YesBeauty haul. I hope you enjoyed going through this as much as I did. Please comment down below if you have favorite items you purchased from YesStyle, and let us know what they are. If you have any kind of products that you want to recommend, love to hear it, or anything you want me to try, would also love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.